No, this is not a mini fridge. This is actually the brand new all-digital white Xbox Series X. Now, this retails for $449 or £429, which is $50 and £20 less than the regular version. But what do you get in the box? Let's find out. Look at this. Let's lift this away. And here it is, the fridge. It's in this little kind of cloth sleeve at the moment, which presumably is going to stop it from getting scratched up. Look at that. That is clean. Look at that. Oh. So, obviously, in the box, you get the new white console itself. You've got the power button, you've got the controller pairing button, you have all your ports, etc. And let's lift up this little flap and see what else you get. And here we have the matching robot white controller. You also get the power lead and HDMI cable to connect it to your TV. And then you get all your little documentation, which has very nice, simple setup guide. Now, I believe there is actually one last thing in here, which is this. Who can guess what this is? It's AA batteries, or they're Duracell ones. No expense was spared here. Obviously, the DualSense for the PS5 has a rechargeable battery built in, which has its own advantages and disadvantages, and Xbox this generation has gone for these AAs. So here is everything that you get in the box.